can see now the truck.
The rescuer.
Rescuer.
Here. They're going inside.
We're gonna go inside.
Yes.
Lord,
And
take care of them.
they'll save Grace.
I'm okay. This is the breaking news, y'all. Everybody's there going to see what's happening there in Panathinaikos Stadium.
Okay,
So,
so
you can see there, sabog malaka, putangina, tangina Albanians, tingnan na malaka.
yes.
Putangina, this is breaking news,
Okay.
breaking news.
So,
Malaka.
man.
So, there are all the sabog malaka. All the sabog malaka.
Come, let's go, Marty.
Here, but they didn't show any Molotov. So,
Okay.
no, do not shout Molotov, Malaka, the police. So this is the breaking news for today. See you again on an afternoon. We're gonna make very, very near.
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. I know, putang ina, now it's 4 o'clock.
Yes.
Mga 6 o'clock, guys, we're gonna go there. Alan Paul, very many, Asap, Malaka, to see what's happening over there.
Yes.
Thank you, Jonas, for the camera.
Okay.
Wala
Wala ka tayo.